So we are here today with Miss Beverly Benzy,
Right.
and Beverly has her husband here. His name is Richard Benzy, and he is getting an IV infusion today. And Richard is coming to us today from North Carolina, and we're going to talk to Miss Beverly since Richard's taken a little bit of a nap. So tell us a little bit about your husband. How old is Richard?
My husband is 79 years old.
And a little bit about his medical history. What's going on with him?
Well, he's always been healthy as a horse until the last couple of years. Well, I'm going to say probably the last 4 or 5 years, diagnosed with Parkinson's. Looking back, he's probably had it 20 years, but it wasn't official until the last 5 or 6 years. His quality of life started going south, and I started doing some homework, some research. We've had many procedures done with issues that he's had. This disease interrupts his bowels, his back, his brain, everything. We decided to try a stem cell because that was the last option we had. We had the first stem cell procedure done May 25th, 25, and it absolutely made a difference in his life. He became engaged, he became outgoing, he became active again, back to the gym, quality of life improved, eating, gained weight. But in all sincerity, it was 6 months that we had this great quality of life. And then after that, we started declining again. So we are now back, trying this one more time and hoping to get the same results.
Thank you so much, Beverly. Let me ask you, stem cell therapy, did you do some research before you came to see us here at R3 Stem Cell?
I did. What I found that we couldn't afford or couldn't even consider doing was going outside of the country. And so we were thrilled to find Dr. Worthington here in Knoxville. So I absolutely did do some research, and we had a lot of folks tell us that you're wasting your money, you're wasting your time. And we said, well, that might be the case, but we'll find out and get back to you about it, which we did, and had good news to report to folks.